In this video, I'll describe an important addition to Statgraphics Centurion version 17. That is, the ability to assign value labels to a column of data. Value labels let you enter data using simple integers such as 1, 2, 3, and so forth, but have labels appear instead of the integers in output tables and graphs. Value labels are very helpful when you're entering a large amount of nominal or ordinal data. Here's a typical example that might come from a survey. Respondents are asked how they feel about a particular statement. The statement is, statistics is an exciting subject to study. Each respondent must choose one of 5 responses. Disagree strongly, disagree, not sure or no opinion, agree, or agree strongly. In version 16, you have 2 choices on how to enter this data. First, you can enter each response as a character string. That could be quite a bit of work, though, if there were a lot of respondents. The second option is to enter the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and use the recode column feature in Statgraphics when you're finished to convert the integers to character strings. Version 17 adds a new choice. You may enter integers 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 into a column, and then assign value labels to that column corresponding to each of the integers. Here I've entered into the Statgraphics data sheet the opinions of 800 respondents. The column opinion contains integers from 1 to 5 corresponding to the 5 responses I showed you earlier. If I double-click on the header of the opinion column, it brings up the Modify Column dialog box. You can see, first off, that opinion is a numeric column. Secondly, if I click the Value Labels button, it'll bring up a new dialog box that assigns labels to each of those integers. You see that I've entered labels for the integers 1 to 5. These labels are saved with the data column. Now let's analyze this data. I'll go to the top menu and select Describe, Categorical Data, Tabulation. The data column is opinion, and I'll take all the default tables and graphs. When the analysis window opens, you'll see in all the tables and graphs that the value labels have been used instead of the integers. That's true in the bar chart. It's true in the pie chart. It's also true in the frequency table. If you want to, you can use the integers instead of the value labels. For example, in the bar chart, if I push the right mouse button, I can uncheck Use Value Labels, and it will label the bars with the integers. I suspect most of the time, though, you'll want to use these new value labels.